Alright, hi guys. Today I will be reviewing two of my fidgets. I'm going to review this, real foam, and this Orbeez. Now, I'm going to do this one first. Open it up. And you can make like a ball with it. I'm not too good at making a ball, but I'll try for you guys. Look at that. It's not a perfect ball, but whatever. And ready? 3, 2, 1, squish. It is so stretchy. It is like such a good fidget toy. This will calm me down anytime. Unless I'm like really mad. Or really sad. Or really, I don't know. I don't know. Anybody talking my video? But is it? It's so stretchy. Look at that. Oh my god. It's kind of like cloud slime, but it's not cloud slime. And it is so satisfying. We'll see if we can get some ASMR soon. But, you know, it is really squishy. Really pulley. And just great in general. Why is my hair doing this? But I just got back from school. And yeah. Look at my shirt. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. It says Hello Kitty down here. If you don't know how to read, I just said it for y'all. And also because it was pretty down. But okay. What was I? Sorry, there's a hair. So let's try to get some ASMR. And yeah, that's just a really good fidget in general. It's at Walmart, you should go get it. And now we gotta do the Orbeez one. It's pretty hard to open. Hope you guys like seeing me struggle. Because I am. Hold on. Trying to get it. I got it. So there's like this little lid. There's a little container. And this is the thing. It looks like a soccer ball. There's white and black little beads in it, Orbeez. And it's a little ball. So that's why it looks like a soccer ball. Guys, let's play soccer. Let's just pretend there's up here. Oh no, you got it in my goal. It's a really good fidget. Look at that, guys. I'm trying to get some ASMR. It is so cool. So basically, if you don't know what an Orbeez is, it's like a little bead that expands in water. So I just popped. But let's try to get some ASMR. really good ASMR. And you could just like wiggle it around in here. Oh, there's also some ASMR here. And then if we put the lid on, it's like a maraca. Maraca, maraca, maraca. Maraca, maraca, maraca. So yeah, that was the 2 fidgets I reviewed today. If you guys like this, like and subscribe.